In this video, we're going to look at Mastering Chemistry, which is the online homework program we will use for Chem 1406. The instructions for registering for Mastering Chemistry can be found on the orientation lesson as well as the lesson over chemistry and measurements for Chapter 2. The link for accessing Mastering Chemistry is found in all of the lesson pages on Blackboard. The first assignment you have for Mastering Chemistry is the Introduction to Mastering Chemistry, and this assignment is just to get you comfortable with using the program, to show you how it is set up and all of those things. There are 7 questions here. Some of them just go through the different types of questions that you might see in future assignments. It's a way to get comfortable using the program before you start doing it for one of the chapters. So I just clicked on the first one. This is a welcome to mastering, and so it's going to go through and have you look at some of the features of mastering. So read through it, answer it. You can get comfortable with it. And it gives you some information on how it's graded and things like that. You have 6 tries at getting an answer correct on here, for not just for the introduction assignment, but for your graded homework assignment. So if you get it wrong the first time, you can go back to your textbook, you can go back to the lesson material and see maybe where you made a mistake and try again. Once you finish with the Introduction to Mastering Chemistry assignment, you can go ahead and pull up the Chapter 2 assignment after you've worked through all of the lesson material in Blackboard. And let's look and see what that looks like next. Here is the Chapter 2 homework assignment. You can see that this one has 20 problems in it, and it's going to take you about 2 hours or so, depending on how quickly you work, to work through it. Now, you can wait and do these problems after you have completed all of the lesson material, or you can kind of work through it as you work through the lesson material. So if you take one section in the chapter at a time, you can come and work on those homework problems that go along with it if you want to. You can go in and out of the assignment as many times as you want. As I mentioned before, that you do have 6 tries at getting a problem correct. And so for a lot of the answers, if you get them wrong, they may give you some feedback as to why you got your answer wrong. Not all of them are set up that way, but a lot of them are. If you get a problem wrong and you go back and you look at the material and you still don't understand why you got it wrong or how to go about answering a problem, please send me an email. I can go in and see the problem that you're working on and try and help you out. And when you send me emails, the more information you put in your email, the better my reply will be. So if you're working on a problem that involves math, if you take a picture of the work that you've done on a piece of paper, you can send that in the email to me, and so I can see what you have done and maybe be able to see what went wrong. So just the more information you give me as you work through these problems and when you need help, the better off I am able to answer you. And please remember that you are not bothering me by sending me emails. It's my job, and I love my job. I love teaching chemistry. So before you get so frustrated with the homework assignment or any of the material, please, please, please send me an email and let me help you out. There are a couple more things I want to mention about Mastering Chemistry. First of all, grades don't post automatically in Blackboard. So as long as you've completed it and you see a grade in Mastering Chemistry, I will post it in Blackboard a few days after the close of the assignment. The other thing is that there are adaptive follow-up assignments that Mastering Chemistry will automatically generate based on the types of problems that you may have had trouble with in the homework assignment. And those are due 2 days after the due date, and they are extra credit assignments. And you can earn up to 5 points of extra credit by doing those assignments. Now, if you score a 95% or higher on your homework grade, then you essentially test out, so to speak, of the adaptive follow-up, and so you'll automatically get those 5 extra credit points added onto your assignment. Now those get added in when I put it all into Blackboard, so it's not going to automatically do it for you, but it will get put in there when I put it into the Blackboard gradebook. So if you have any questions on Mastering Chemistry, any of the problems in there, any of this stuff that goes along with the course, please send me an email so that I can help you out.